Start now. So the next scenario is JDBC to Idoc. JDBC and Idoc to JDBC. So JDBC to Idoc. Sender side database, receiver side Idoc. So we'll send something from database that is getting updated in Idoc the receiver side. So first of all we need to take we'll take senders from creating database. Double click on this. So I'll give the field name value I'm taking one more variable flag here. Why? Because when I send the data from database, so it's not file or flat file. The data is not going to be deleted. So the data available in the database in the form of records in a table. So table is a combination of rows and columns. We'll be sending record by record from the database. So first time first record, second time second record, third time third record, like number of records are transferred. So what I do is for each and every record I set a flag. So I'll give something to this flag. When flag is called this, then take the record. Once after 60 seconds, when the record is picked by the scenario, then I update the flag. Okay, I'll put something to the flag when the record is picked by the scenario. So to get the data from any database, as we know, definitely we need to write select statement. Now here in the receiver side, communication channel we will be creating. Why? Because receiver side, sender side, we will be creating communication channel for database. And we write the select statement there, update statement there in the communication channel. We'll see how to write all those things. But we should take this value reason and then flag. Okay, the table, and save this table. The table name already we give. Save this, save. That means when you open this, you get value, reason, and then flag. Like this. So we start with creating product and software component. In center side, I will be creating one standalone technical system for database. Finish, that's all. As you know, don't require product and software component. Then receiver side, SAP. Install this product and software component in receiver side, tech customer and business system. That is SAP. So we finished SLT part. Environment is database. Design objects, create, import from SLD, display. Give a namespace. Similar to file to Idoc only, file to Idoc only. JDBC to Idoc 06. you need to import the Idoc. Select the Idoc and finish. So now actually we required data type, message type as interface for sender. Receiver side not required, receiver side Idoc. So that too you have taken a separate structure for database. You are sending data to database, so we are using that structure. But now in database in center side, so we don't require that structure. So because the database is already known and the database already contains records and we have driver connection, we are not directly sending data to database, we are sending data from database. So see, this is the way you can keep the database and data type for sender. Server is slow. So record by record I will be sending data. Insert sub element. I'll take like this row. Insert sub element. Value and reason. So record by record I will be sending data. So this is enough. No need to take the structure. Message type.
దానిలో కాపీ చేసా దానిలో బాహుబలి ఉందా దానిలో బాహుబలి ఉందా
ఇదిగో
చూపు దానిలో చూపు దానిలో కాపీ ఉంది దానిలో
డిలీట్ చేస్తారా ఇందులో కాపీ చేశాను అది వేరే వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేసేయాలి.
మా ఆయన వెనక్కి పడతాడు ముందుకు లాక్కు.
Enter source message.
నేను టీవీలో పెడుతుంటే నువ్వేంటి
టీవీలో పెట్టా సరే నీ క్లాస్
ఆడికి చూపిస్తా ఉందా దానిలో పెన్ డ్రైవ్లో ఉందా చెప్పి ప్రూఫ్ అంటే
నేను చూపిస్తాను.
దించావే నువ్వు ఎట్లండి
JDBC to Idoc. So when Idoc in the receiver side, these are all the mandatory fields, as you know. Take this big note. Constant. And then disable the CD underscore DC40. Right click, segment, constant, this is the way we did the mapping. This is the last scenario for Idocs. Tomorrow notes we'll see HTTP to RFC website scenarios. JDBC to Idoc related operations. Then we need to take the business system what we created for sender, bs underscore JDBC send 6, this one. Then for receiver SAP, so we'll select from objects or object view. Expand all this business systems. SAP BRD. Right click assign configuration scenarios. And then save. Now required communication channel for sender, communication channel for receiver, sender side database, receiver side Idoc. Sender communication channel. JDBC sender. Then we need to give the driver and connection. This is a driver. And this is connection. Up to dbq is equal to. And path. Then the processing parameters. See, you require here query SQL statement and update SQL statement. So query SQL statement means what? To get the data from database. So the database table, the table available in the database is TAB. So we're writing here select statement, select star from TAB, where I'll give some value to flag. So I'll be giving here flag is equal to true. When true, pick the record. After 60 seconds, when the record is picked, change the flag status to false. So that's the way I'm writing. So now I'm giving here in the query SQL statement, select star from tab where flag is equal to true. Update SQL statement. Update a tab. Set flag is equal false where flag is equal true. And then save. That means when we give record, we will be giving flag always true to true. When the record is picked, the flag set to false within 60 seconds. Then communication channel for receiver, simple Idoc. Idoc adapter will take here. Receiver side, RSV destination, support, SAP release, let's see. So receiver termination. Type this interface, you don't get this interface. Then interface termination.
కలిపేసేనా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ కానీ
integrate termination, then center agreement,
అయిపోయిందా
కావాలా
అయిపోతుందా
center interface, center communication channel, and then save. Receiver agreement, so receiver interface, action 1, sorry for that. See, it is showing error here, but it's functioning. See, this short text is not syntax error. Any error is functioning. Error during database connection with the database URL JDBC ODBC driver table. Data source may not found, not default driver. Process started. It is okay. If anything wrong, then we will get the syntax error, something error displayed here. But database is corrupted database now, which is not known. So the database is sender side now. Now JDBC adapter has to take the data from this corrupted database and sending it to integration engine. So that is not going to happen here. Idoc to JDBC, after everything processed, at the end we are expecting data in the database. Now the database in the sender side, which is not known. So JDBC adapter cannot take the data from this database, and it cannot push the data to the integration engine. Even though you'll get this green color here, don't be in the scenario, but everything is fine, nothing to worry. Our scenario is working fine. So how to test this? So we need to send the data from the database. So what we do is we will be sending the data from database like this. I'll give one something. And then save. So what happens is within 60 seconds the file is going to be picked by the scenario, the true, the flag what we gave as true, no? It will become false. That means the record is picked by the scenario. Once the record is picked, then go to IDX5 in XI, check the, for SAP it is inbound, no? For SAP it is inbound, for XI it should be outbound. So check the outbound status in IDX5. If everything fine, then go to SAP system W02, check the data in the Idoc. For every record, one Idoc is created. For each and every record, one Idoc is created. So like this, you can run this JDBC to Idoc scenario. Nothing is there. If the database is correctly configured, everything is ready. The same way, similarly, you can work on this. Nothing is there. Only these two scenarios. You cannot see the output. So tomorrow we'll see HTTP to RFC, that is example for web service, example for synchronous communication. It's very important. Don't miss tomorrow's class. We'll see the scenario tomorrow. After that, we'll see SOAP to RFC. So that is also web service. We'll see SOAP to RFC later, and then we'll see BPM scenarios, and then we'll see XLT mapping and proxies. So these things are left.
Class second.
So up to this we finished. So remaining HTTP to RFC tomorrow, and then later SOAP to RFC. Then we'll see BPM1, BPM2, and then we'll see one-day proxies and XLT mapping. Around some 6-7 classes required to finish the remaining things. So please go through this, and we'll see HTTP to RFC tomorrow's session. Any doubts, any queries in this? tomorrow.